Hello everyone and welcome to this course on Fusion 360 with Claude. First of all, I want to thank you for joining me. I am genuinely excited to have you here, and over the next several lessons, we are going to build something that is both practical and highly relevant to today's engineering industry. This is not just another Fusion 360 modeling course. There are already hundreds of videos available online that teach you which button to click, which command to use, or how to recreate a simple model. But this is not enough anymore. Today's engineers are expected to design faster, think smarter, solve more complex problems, and increasingly working alongside artificial intelligence. Today's engineers are expected to design faster, think smarter, solve more complex problems, and increasingly work alongside artificial intelligence. That is exactly what this course is designed to help you achieve. In this course, we are going to combine two powerful technologies. The first is Fusion 360, one of the world's most popular cloud-based CAD, CAM, and CA platforms used by engineers, product designers, startups, and manufacturing companies. The second is Claude, an advanced artificial intelligence assistant capable of understanding engineering requirements, interpreting design instructions, generating structured workflows, writing Fusion 360 Python scripts, assisting with calculations, explaining concepts, and helping us create mechanical components much more efficiently. Now it's important to understand something right from the beginning. Claude is not replacing Fusion 360. Fusion 360 remains the software where every sketch, every feature, every dimension, every assembly, and every model is actually created. Claude works as your intelligent engineering assistant. Think of Claude as an experienced design engineer sitting beside you. Whenever you are unsure how to approach a component, what sequence of features to follow, how to automate repetitive tasks, or how to structure a complex model, Claude provides you guidance. Fusion 360 then becomes the platform where those ideas are transformed into actual engineering models. So throughout this course, you will see these two tools working together as one efficient work. Now that we have an overview of what this course is about, let's begin by understanding the most important software that we will be using throughout this journey, that is Fusion 360. Before we start creating any models, it's important to understand what Fusion 360 actually is and why it has become one of the most widely used CAD platforms in the engineering industry. Fusion 360 is a professional computer-aided design software developed by Autodesk, a company that has been developing engineering softwares for decades. Today, Fusion 360 is used by mechanical engineers, product designers, manufacturing companies, startups, and many research organizations across the world to design real products in a complete three-dimensional environment. But Fusion 360 is much more than a CAD software. It is an integrated product development platform. Traditionally, engineers needed a separate software for design, simulation, manufacturing, rendering, and collaboration. Fusion 360 brings all of these capabilities together into a single environment, making the entire product development process more efficient and connected. One of the biggest advantages of Fusion 360 is that it is designed for both engineers and professionals. If you have never used CAD software before, don't worry. This course starts from the fundamental and gradually builds your knowledge step by step. By the time we finish, you will be comfortable designing complex mechanical components with confidence. Another reason Fusion 360 has become so popular is its accessibility. Autodesk provides free educational access for eligible students and educators, allowing you to learn professional engineering software without purchasing an expensive commercial license. This has made Fusion 360 one of the most widely adopted CAD platforms in universities and engineering colleges around the world. Now let's understand the complete engineering workflow that Fusion 360 supports. Everything begins with the design. This is where engineers transform an idea into a detailed three-dimensional model by creating sketches, defining dimensions, and building solid features. A well-planned design forms the foundation of every successful engineering product. Once the design is complete, the next stage is simulation. Instead of immediately manufacturing a component, engineers can evaluate how it behaves under different operating conditions. They can analyze stress, deformation, thermal effects, and other performance characteristics, helping identify potential issues before a physical prototype is built. After validation comes manufacturing. Fusion 360 provides tools that help prepare designs for production, including support for CNC machining workflows. This creates smooth transition from digital design to real-world manufacturing. The final stage is rendering. Rendering allows engineers and designers to create highly realistic image of their products by applying materials, textures, lighting, and environments. These visualizations are extremely useful for design reviews, client presentations, and product demonstration with marketing. For this course, Fusion 360 is the perfect choice because it combines professional capabilities with an intuitive interface, making it suitable for learners at every level. More importantly, it works exceptionally well with AI-assisted workflows, allowing us to combine engineering knowledge with the power of intelligent tools like Claude. Now that we have a clear understanding of Fusion 360, the next question naturally arises, that is, what exactly is Claude? And how does artificial intelligence help us become better design engineers? So Claude is an advanced artificial intelligence assistant developed by Anthropic. Unlike traditional software program that only follows fixed commands, Claude can understand natural human language. In other words, instead of communicating using complex programming syntax, you simply explain what you want in plain English, just as you would explain it to another engineer. Think of Claude as your intelligent engineering assistant. Imagine you have an experienced CAD expert sitting beside you throughout your entire design process. Whenever you are unsure how to model a component, which features to use, you can simply ask Claude for the help. One of the biggest strengths of Claude is its ability to understand engineering intent. It doesn't just look at individual words, it tries to understand what you are actually trying to build. Whether you are describing a connecting rod, a spur gear, gearbox housing, or any other mechanical component, Claude analyzes your description and generates an appropriate solution based on your requirements. Now, this is where things become really interesting. Normally, if you wanted to automate Fusion 360, you would first need to learn programming. You would have to understand Python syntax, Fusion 360 APIs, software development concepts, debugging, and many other programming topics before you could automate even a simple task. For many mechanical engineers, this becomes a major challenge because their expertise lies in engineering design, not software development. Claude changes that workflow significantly. Instead of writing hundreds of lines of Python code yourself, you simply describe the component you want to create. Claude understands your description and generates the required Fusion 360 Python scripts automatically. For example, instead of writing code manually, you could simply tell Claude something like create a spur gear with a specified module, number of teeth, face width, bore diameter, and keyway. Claude analyzes your request, generates a complete Python script capable of creating that component inside Fusion 360. This doesn't mean Claude is creating the CAD model directly. This distinction is extremely important. Claude writes the instructions. Fusion 360 executes those instructions. You remain the engineer who decides what needs to be built. A simple way to remember this entire workflow is the sentence, you describe it, Claude builds the logic, and you run it. That is exactly how we will be working throughout this course. Now it's time to understand the single most important concept of this entire course. Everything that we will learn throughout this course is based on this simple workflow. That is, Claude writes and Fusion 360 executes. At first, it may sound almost too simple, but once you understand what is happening behind the scenes, you will realize why this approach is so powerful. So let's understand. Fusion 360 has a built-in scripting environment that allows it to execute programs written in the Python programming language. Autodesk provides a complete application programming interface, commonly called as an API, which gives Python scripts the ability to communicate directly with the Fusion 360. Through this API, a script can create sketch, draw circles and lines, apply dimensions, perform extrusions, and perform many other operations that we normally carry out manually using the toolbar. In other words, almost every action that you perform with your mouse inside the Fusion 360 can also be performed programmatically using Python. Traditionally, if an engineer wanted to automate this process, they would first have to learn Python programming, understand the Fusion 360 API, study the available commands, write hundreds of lines of code, test the program repeatedly, and debug any errors before obtaining the desired model. For many mechanical engineers, this becomes a major obstacle. This is where Claude completely changes the workflow. Instead of writing the Python code, you simply explain what you want to build. Claude then converts your engineering descriptions into Fusion 360 Python script. It is writing the program that instructs Fusion 360 how to build the component. So now let's follow the complete workflow shown on the right side of this slide. The first step is Claude writes. You provide your design requirements in plain English. Claude analyzes your request and generates a Python script specifically written for Fusion 360. The second step is Fusion 360 executes. Once the Python script has been generated, you simply copy it into the Fusion 360 and execute it. Fusion 360 reads the script line by line. Each command tells Fusion 360 exactly what action to perform. Fusion 360 executes every instruction sequentially until the entire model has been created. And the final third step is part appears. Within a few moments, the component is generated directly inside the Fusion 360. The model is fully editable because it has been created using Fusion 360's own features and commands. You can continue modifying it, add additional features, change dimensions, improve the design, or even use Claude again to generate more advanced versions. So if we summarize the entire workflow, we may say you think like an engineer, Claude thinks like a programmer, and Fusion 360 builds the model. Now at this point, many of you might have a very practical question. If Claude can generate the code, Fusion 360 can automatically build the model, then why should I spend time learning Fusion 360 at all? It's a fair question, and honestly, it's one of the most common questions people ask when they first hear about AI-assisted CAD design. The answer is simple. AI can make you faster, but only knowledge makes you capable. Imagine you have asked Claude to generate a gearbox housing, and within a few seconds, Fusion 360 creates the complete model. At first glance, everything looks perfect, but then you notice that one hole is in the wrong position, a fillet radius needs to be changed, the wall thickness is insufficient for manufacturing, or the component doesn't satisfy your design requirements. Now what? If you don't understand Fusion 360, you will have no idea how to correct those mistakes. You will be completely dependent on AI for every small modifications, and that's not how professional engineers work. Real engineering is not just about generating a model. It's about understanding why the model is built in a particular way, how each feature contributes to the final design, and how to modify it confidently whenever requirements changes. It is very important to understand that AI doesn't always produce the perfect answer on the first attempt. Sometimes the generated code may contain an error. Sometimes a feature may fail because of geometric constraints. Sometimes dimension may need adjustments. When those situations occur, your Fusion 360 knowledge becomes invaluable. To learn Fusion 360 in detail, you may refer to our previous course, that is Learn Fusion 360 Basics, available on gezau.com, and the link is provided on the slide. So understand, AI gives you the speed, but understanding the tools gives you the control. And this course gives you the both. In the next lesson, we will start setting up our complete environment and take our very first practical step towards the AI assisted mechanical design. Until then, keep exploring and keep learning. I will see you in the next lesson.